Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create our first Android application, that is Hello app. In this app we are going to enter a person's name. After submitting it, it will display hello plus that person's name which we have entered. So we are going to learn about how to set up Android Studio for this application step by step. Hope you have already installed Android Studio on your device. So let's start. Open the Android Studio first. Then select new project, then select empty activity, click on next. Here you can enter your application's name. So I am going to enter here Hello app. Here I am using programming language as Java, but if you are using Kotlin you can select this, otherwise select Java, click on finish. So it will be generating source and preparing workspace for our application. So it will take a while for loading. Wait for some time. After the completion of loading, our workspace will be looking like this. So in the app folder, it has manifest Java and resource folder. Inside Java folder, we have package named com.example.hello. Inside this, we have all the Java files and all the layouts files are under the folder resource. So here you can see there are two files, that is XML and Java. So XML, that is extensible markup language. It is used to define user interfaces of Android apps. So XML file will provide the information about how our app will look like, and in Java file we will provide logic for our application. So let's start with the design of our app. In XML file there are options such as code, split and design. Here in split option we can see both code and design of our app. So here is a text view is present by default. We will remove it and we will create our own. For this application we are going to use relative layout. So remove this constraint layout. Type as relative layout. So relative layout is used to assign components relative to each other. That is, if we are placing edit text and button, then button will be placed relative to edit text, that is below the edit text. So for this, provide gravity as center so that all the components will align to the center of layout. Now go to the design option. Here we are going to drag and drop the components which we are needed. So first we are going to take text view, edit text. So take plain text and drop here, then button, after that text view, so all three components we have dropped here. Let's go to the code. Now we are going to edit these attributes. So first we are going to give ID to this edit text. So we are keeping it as edit text. Then we are going to give width as 250 dp. Then we are keeping height as wrap content, input type as person name. Here we don't need this attribute. And we are going to give int as enter your name, so that user can enter their name in this edit text. We are also giving gravity at center. Then we are going to edit button. We are giving ID as btn. Then we are keeping its height and width as it is. Then as it is relative layout, we are going to specify layout of this button. So we are going to give layout below as edit text. So button will be placed below edit text. We are going to give margin from the top to the button as 50 dp, and the text will be submit. It will also need margin from left, so we are giving margin from left at 70 dp. Here dp is used at distance, unit for distance in this XML file. So this was for button, and then we are going to edit text view. We are giving id as text view. Then this width and height will be as it is. After that, we are keeping text as it is. Then we are going to define gravity at center. Also we are going to give layout below. It will be below the button. So we can see our text view is below the submit button. It is too small, so we are giving it width as like 250 dp and height as 50 dp. So it will also need margin from top. So margin from top will be, let's say, 50 dp. Here we have to increase size of this text view. So let's increase this size. Let's take 30 dp. So let's increase size of edit text also. $30 and give gravity to the button also. So this was all about the XML file. So let's move to the Java file. So here we are going to declare all the components, that is edit text as edit text, then button as btn, and text view as text view. So here we have declared our three components. Then in this onCreate word, in this onCreate method, we are going to give IDs which are present in the XML file. that is for edit text. We have edit text as an ID, for button btn, and for text view text view. So we are going to give ID. So for edit text, we will find view by ID as r.id dot edit text. Similarly for button, find view by ID as r.id dot btn, and for text view, find view by ID dot r.id dot text view. So we have cleared all the components by their IDs. Then in this application we are going to click on submit button. After that it will display text view. So we have to set on click listener on that button. So we are setting on click listener, that is btn.set on click listener, new view.on click listener. In this on click method we are going to state what will our app will do. So for that we are going to take string variable as name. This name variable will get text from edit text, so we'll write edit text dot get text dot to string. This will get edit name from edit text and it will store at the name variable, and this name variable will be used by text view to display the name. So we will write text view dot set text. We will set text as hello plus name variable. So this was all about the Java file. We have completed 2 files. Now we are going to run our app. Click on this. Here I have downloaded an emulator, that is Pixel 3 having API as 30. You can download or create your own device from the device manager. So select the emulator. It is showing as Gradle build running. After completion of this build, we will be able to see our application on this device. It will take a while. Now it is showing as our app is installing on this device. Now launching activity. So this is how our app will look. So here we are going to enter name, for example as Meena. Then we are going to click on submit button. It will display hello Meena. So this was all about how to create this app. I hope you have understood how to create this application. Using this information, hope you will be able to create your own apps, and you can also change attributes such as color of this button or color of this whole layout so that your UI will be more attractive. So that was all about this app. Thank you.